I've been going mad making Cathedral Windows little quilts here, and I was just experimenting the other evening. This is a bunch of 5-inch squares, just random 5-inch squares I pulled, and I just started making this six blocks across and about four rows down or something like that.
They were laying over there in a rough state.
Yeah.
And I said, I love that.
Ian,
I want that.
Ian loves this little quilt.
Please put a border around it. And you asked what colour. And
yeah.
I said, well, I think blue. So look at that.
So I just put the blue border around. What are you going to do with it, Ian?
That's going on the wall by my office desk in my work office.
Ah, that's nice. So it's just a little Cathedral Windows quilt. Again, just with a million 5-inch charm squares that I just used for the frame and for the
and there's one of my
insets.
sons entitled me, I'm the senior project manager for his company.
Yeah.
So as a senior project manager, I'm indulging my artistic elbow or something.
You have a little quilt hanging in your office now.
Already?
Yeah, I made a silly little quilt and he stole it. Well, I'm glad you like that. All right, thanks. Yeah, as I was saying, it's just a silly little quilt that Ian's going to hang up. And I've been experimenting, must excuse the chainsawing outside, I've been experimenting with these Cathedral Windows patterns. And so often the frames, the circular frames, which there's no curved piecing on this, it's how it's made, are white or solid color. But I just decided to pull a bunch of different color charm squares and just put them together. Make the frames, and this is what I came up with. Just an evening. I didn't know what I was going to do with it, and Ian came in, he said, oh, I really like that. I'll show you the back. So this is the back fabric. I don't know if you can see the actual quilting on there. I just did it on my machine. I just went around loosely the ovals and in the square, in the inset. This is the frame there. Obviously it will never be seen. And I couldn't be bothered. I literally added a bit of packaged seam binding, made exactly like I do my quilt binding. But I just put the seam binding, attached it to the back, turned it around to the front. And that's my quilting. It's sweet for evening's work, just experimenting. So, yeah, I'm going Cathedral Windows crazy. Love from the Trueloves.